Hello, I'm from Vision Engineering, and this is one of our latest solutions. It's the AutoCam. So what we've done is we've connected and created a system out of our EVO Cam 2 and a Universal Robots cobot. What we're trying to do here is to automate the inspection process. So what we can do is components that are big, bulky, have multiple different views. We can now do all of that at once. And our EVO Cam allows us to auto-focus on a component and also for us to achieve high levels of zoom and very clear images. Additionally, we've connected the space mouse, so you can drive the system manually, so you don't need to have an operator close to the machine. They can be quite far away and operating it remotely.